Hello, Bay East members. I am Tina Hand, the chair of the 2023 Leadership Evaluation and Selection Committee. I'm here to let you know it's that time of the year again when we honor some of our outstanding members of 2023. Our awards of excellence highlight our members' commitment to our industry and to the communities they serve. The awards include Good Neighbor of the Year, Platinum Affiliate of the Year, Rookie of the Year, and Realtor of the Year.
Rookie of the Year criteria: active realtor, newly licensed and joined Bay East within 24 months, served on a Bay East committee, work group, or task force for the year they were being nominated, realtor spirit, civic activity, and business accomplishments. Platinum Affiliate of the Year criteria: active platinum affiliate, served on a Bay East committee, work group, or task force for the year that they were being nominated. Civic activity, high professional standards and cooperation with other members. Good Neighbor of the Year criteria: active realtor member, made exceptional contributions to an organization classified as a 501c3. Realtor of the Year criteria: active realtor, served on a Bay East committee, work group, or task force for the year they were being nominated, full-time agent and/or broker, realtor spirit, civic activity, business accomplishments, and local, state, national association activity.
Nominate or apply between now and October 23rd online by visiting www.bayeast.org/award-criteria for more details and the nomination forms. Thank you so much.